Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a car that you might be very familiar with, just over here. It's an S2000 in bright yellow with black roof, carbon bonnet. It's Albo's. I guess you know that. I'll give you a little walk around of what we've done. Together, us and Albo put quite a big project together on this car. We gave it a lot of updates basically, and still in the process of doing updates. Just to give you the quick explanation, we have done a full body repaint on this car. We've done the front fender ASM front fender installation, the spoon front bumper. We've done, come around here, I'll show you. So we've done the ASM front fender installation. We've done the spoon front bumper. You can see here we've got the fog lights kind of smoked out. This is a custom made front lip to go with the spoon bumper. This item is actually not spoon, it's not anything, it's a completely custom made part. After that, over here, if you can see, we have currently not attached, but ASM has like a fin in this spot here for the venting, and we're currently doing a carbon fiber one to go in that spot. So that should be done this week. I think it's going to look good because it's going to pick up like the carbon on the bonnet, carbon on the side skirt. We will be doing coating on this coming up shortly. And in the meantime, over here we have air cup suspension kit for this car. So we have our trusty mechanic Masaru here. He is working hard to set it up. So this is like an air cup suspension kit basically. So it's kind of like bags. You can adjust your ride height and do everything like that through this gas tank here, which goes into the boot, into the trunk. Here's what one of them looks like. These are from Stance Parts. So each suspension will have this connected to it. All of that is then connected to the tank in the back for air. We'll show you a bit of a cinematic of this getting put on by Masaru, and enjoy.
Awesome.
All right, say hi to the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. All right, talk to you soon.
All
right, bye.
See you guys.
See ya. Although the S2000 has been repainted, you can still see some swirl marks and also some clear coat damage due to the UV light, due to the car washes. Swirl marks builds up like really quickly, but luckily the paint is stiff enough that we can just go really deep with the wool and to bring the shine and glossiness back up. So this part is more blurry and more hazy, and then you can still see a lot of swirl marks and stuff, and then this part is just way more vibrant and more like in-depth and looks just fantastic right now. The polish has been done on that side yesterday night, and this part will be continued today, and we'll remove all the masking tape and do the whole full car polish, and hopefully the car is gonna look way better than before. Also, you can see some imperfections in here too, scratches in here. That was due to the previous owner, because this hot top, OEM hot top, was owned, I think it was secondhand. It was building some of the damage over time. So yeah, we will polish everything up and bring the car back to the best condition.
So part of the process for getting the car ready is we actually tape up the headlights. You can see here, basically we use masking tape to cover this. So we go along in kind of straight lines to cover the majority of the headlight like this. And then the final step, once most of it's covered, is we go through the edges so we can cover everything properly. This does two things. One, it stops the dust from going into the cracks from around all these pieces. And two, it also protects the headlights from the polish, so we can do those separate if they need it. Then it's all covered up.
So we've used the yellow wool to polish the first layer, and removed most of the swirl marks and also deep, semi-deep scratches from the video, as you can see before probably. And right now we are going to use the yellow sponge, bring it to the next level shininess, glossiness and stuff.
So when we're doing the polish, we have a kind of pattern that we follow. Everyone has their own style, but in my case and the way that we were sort of taught, basically we start doing side to side, a few passes back and forth, and then we'll go up and down. We get basically all the angles on the body panel, all the different scratches facing different ways. We make sure we hit them, I guess, on all their angles, and that helps grind it down to being flat again. All right guys, we just finished polishing the car. The whole thing is done. We've done the roof, the body, everything's looking nice and shiny now, so pretty happy with the result.
Yeah.
How about you?
I think it's good because the paint is actually really stiff, so we can really grind hard onto the surface. So, you know, we remove most of the swirl marks and all the flaws.
Yeah,
So,
it could get in deep, right?
exactly.
Yeah.
So right now the car looks really sharp and shiny right now. And also the color is really vibrant. We're just gonna wrap things up and then bring the car out, going to wash it.
Yeah, so we'll move it out to our wash section. Basically takes all of the compound off, gets the car back nice and clean. Now that we've brought the surface to a good condition, then we let it dry overnight, bring it back to the booth, and it'll be ready for tomorrow to start the coating phase.
Sejatata. Shogun のみんなはポケモンオタクなんで抽選を受けてやっと当たりました。ちょっと開封します。てんてんてんてんてんてん。おお、やば。うわおお、やば。なんだこれ、よくわからない。多分何年ぶりのポケモンだからよくわからん。何のロゴ？
ゲームの中で2つ学校ある。
学
学校のロゴ。勉強した。
勉強した。これは？わー。危ない危ない危ない危ない危ない。後ろ。いいね後ろ。あ、これもプリント？スタイル。スタイル。そうそうそう。めっちゃオタクみたい。みんな12時会いましょうね。
はい。
12時オンライン。
もう一人直樹。
いやー。直樹早く一緒に。はい。
Please remain seated.
We're doing our first raid battle here.
Dude, why don't you ask me?
Shogun's there. You can't do it yet, right?
Yeah, just wait for me.
Come on, man. We saw this. We can't keep waiting. So here's Shogun. He got the fire starter. Already evolved it. Here's my cat. And we're fighting this dude here, Kush, because he looks like he's a Kush cat. So we got some special type on this guy. Not really sure what that is.
No.
失礼します。アーバンです。月一の点検で。
あ、はい。
なんか問題的なものありますでしょうか。
あ、大丈夫です。
大丈夫ですか。
はい。
So we have a little bit of work on today, but pretty manageable amount. And Pokemon just came out today, so we are going to start coding at 12 o'clock. It's currently 11:30, so we are making the most of our 30 minutes here, and then we'll start coding. So I'll see you then.
So welcome back, guys. Pokemon session is done. We spent
For now, yeah.
almost the entire morning to play Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. It's an amazing game. Shout out
Pretty
to
addictive, yeah.
Nintendo. But yeah, I mean, such a great game. So right now we're getting back to work right now. This is Ken's 8 series. It's 840 diesel. It's an amazing car. Got like crazy torque, and then Jake did the tune on it. And then
Right, yeah, we did stage one.
Stage 1 tune, and it
Yeah.
had like a crazy torque and horsepower boost. So
Yeah, I think we went up about 86 horsepower and about 87, 88 pound-foot of torque. So pretty nice gain for stage 1. No trouble with it. We've run it pretty hard, run it for a few months now, and
Yeah.
it's done pretty well.
really reliable tune too.
Yeah. So shout out to Celtic Tuning, who we work with for our tune. They've done a great job on this car, so been nice. And now we're doing a wrap kind of test R&D right now with some products.
So you can see it's actually matte black. It's another, it's a new developed brand, wrapping brand. So
Probably still playing Pokemon, I don't know.
definitely playing Pokemon. So new developed wrapping brand, and we're just doing some test fits and some like stretch and try out the quality of the wrap sheets.
Yeah, durability tests. Like when you put it on, there's some shrink factor. So we're just seeing like how that holds up over time. And we've done most of the car. The rear bumper and front bumper is still the original gloss black, you can see.
So is the pillar too.
And the pillar, yeah, but we have like satin black on the rest of it. So it's actually held up surprisingly well, I think, so far. Yeah.
And it's like really stretchable. So it's
Yeah.
like really durable and really strong wrap, I would say. And Ken's going to wash his car right now, and then after, the car wash, we
can do a quick cinematic on that.
Exactly.
Yeah. But yeah, you can see there's no real like glue marks or anything. Like from our experience with 3M, which is quite a high standard, this is kind of really up there. So good start.
And then, oh shit! I mean, the window's going.
All right, so now we're moving into the coating phase. The next step, Albo's car is looking really shiny, really glossy. Everything's back to matching and looking fresh again. So we're gonna hit it with some G Technic, which we have right here.
So we're going to use crystal serum light this time because the car has been repainted. We're just not sure like if the car paint and clear coat could handle the the strong chemical of Crystal Serum Ultra. So that's why we chose the lower grade one, but still this one got like really strong protection and also really strong hydrophobic effect too. This base coat basically, I think we mentioned it before, it lasts for 8 years, and also we're going to top it up with the EXO V2, V4. This is the hydrophobic top coat. So these two combined will give the car like the best shine and also the best hydrophobic
Waterproofing.
effect. Exactly.
Yeah, so it's a pretty nice combo because the base coat, as you said, lasts for 8 years. And essentially you have the car protected for that whole time. So after that, you put the top coat on, lasts for 1 to 2 years, depends how you look after it.
How you store it.
Yeah, how you wash it and
Yeah.
stuff. And then at that point, you're just doing top coat refresh, basically. So it's much cheaper in the long term, gives a really strong protection. So
Yeah.
it's been great.
And then we'll also show the application of how we apply the coating as well. So follow us. So we're going to apply the G-Technics panel white. This is really necessary process before the coating because it's going to remove polish residue and also it enhance the bonding of the coating chemical with the clear coat. So this is a necessary process. Jake's going to demonstrate it. So go ahead.
Holy crap! I feel the ceramic coating. Oh, that feels so good. Kimochi. It feels completely different after it was just painted. Like, it feels like there's like a thick layer of clear on this. Oh my, please. Okay.
You try it?
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Water repelling?
Okay. We'll see. Let's see how the water beads and comes off. That. Oh, wow. It's clean so easily. Oh my god.
I didn't like it. You gotta take good care of your car. Okay, of your exterior paint from now on, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's amazing, man.
It looks ridiculous.
Do you think it looks more vibrant? Than
It looks so
before,
vibrant.
right?
Yeah, it absolutely does. The color just pops so much. It looks better than after it was just painted.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it feels so good to touch.
The roof.
When we got the roof,
Yeah.
you should check it out. Remember when we got this car?
Yes.
When we got the roof, we went and picked up this car top. It was like really faded. I was like, oh shit, this needs to repaint. But it looks freaking amazing. And in fact, it's been repainted, so it's got pearl in it now. Look at that, just beads off. Wow.